So over here, you can see that I got a database, and if I were to go around over here and type in a data, and if I want to save this out, I can simply go to file and click on save. So what happens then is that this file gets saved out in the default directory in document database 1 where I actually saved the file. But if I want to make a copy of this file, then instead of using save, I need to use the save as option. So to do that, you need to click on file and then you need to click on save as. And once you do that, what happens is that you got a range of options that you can save your file as. So I'm just going to go around and choose Access Database and click on Save As right here. So it says, do you want Microsoft Access to close the objects? So it says all the open objects must be closed. So I'm just going to say yes right here. So once I do that, it opens up the Explorer window. So on my desktop, I'm just going to save this out as a database copy right here. So once I do that, a copy of the database is saved out right here. So you can see that this is what I have. I can enable up the content. And if I were to make some changes right here and then save this out, then what happens is that it saves out the file on the copy that I just saved in the desktop database. So if I were to go to file right here and click on open, and if I were to open database 1, you can see that the data on this one is the same as previous. So if I were to go around over here now, and if I were to open up the database copy right here, you can see that all the extra datas are over here now. And to open up a database, that is to open up an access file, once you close out any database, you simply go to file, click on open, and then once you do that, you can click on browse to go around onto the folder as with any other application, and then select the database file and open it out. And that is how you can open up the database, as you can see right here. And that is how you can use the save and save as options and then open access database. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.